My name is Joe Smith, and I'm the Executive Director of Grizzly Broadband.
My name is Jordan Bowman. I'm a Project Manager at Grizzly Broadband.
My name is Shane Charlesworth. Everybody calls me Chuck, and I am the Construction Operations Lead for Grizzly Broadband.
So Grizzly Broadband's an internet service provider in the Bitterroot Valley of Montana. We've been around for over 20 years, serving the valley primarily as a wireless internet service provider, but since 2019 we've been installing fiber, and we've been lucky enough to have received some ARPA grant funding, and we're going to be installing roughly $80 million of fiber to Valley County, Montana over the next 3 years.
Grizzly Broadband's mission is to get fiber to every home throughout the Bitterroot Valley. We're currently working on 5 projects for the Connect Montana ARPA funding, looking to deliver internet service throughout the whole Bitterroot.
The fiber to the home market in North America is largely non-existent in the rural areas, and it's a huge need, and it's a huge priority for our local, state, and federal legislators. And luckily, with the ARPA funding and with the upcoming BEAD funding, it's going to be a huge priority moving forward, and I think it's going to be a big opportunity for rural America to get connected in ways that they haven't before. You know, one of the biggest challenges, especially for this area, being a rural area, is fiber builds are very expensive, and it just doesn't pencil out to build to a lot of these areas. One of the ways we've been able to overcome that is with this grant funding, but honestly, Hexatronic has been a huge help in this. Their solution is the most economical, and it's the most efficient for rural areas like this, given the ability to install duct without having to install the fiber right away, and the minimal handhold design really helps us a lot, and it helps a lot with local permitting agencies as well that don't want to see as many handholds and as much surface infrastructure. How did we decide on a partner for our project? I think 2 big things. Obviously, cost is a big part of the equation to help us to get things in the ground as economically as possible. But the other thing is material availability. You know, we were able to execute a contract with Hexatronic and provide our bill of materials for this entire project, and really get prepared and be proactive. And having Hexatronic as a partner in this project has really given us a lot of peace of mind, especially at a time when there's a significant amount of infrastructure going and lead times are continuing to increase, and a lot of people are very stressed about being able to get materials. And our partnership with Hexatronic has really helped a lot in that, to put that at ease, or put our minds at ease, that we're going to be able to get the materials we need when we need them, and really focus on more of the construction aspects of the project.
The biggest value I see in Hexatronic is the ability to be able to serve so many customers off such little product that you have to put into the ground. It's very easy to work with and very user-friendly. The Hexatronic Solutions was chosen by Grizzly due to the fact that it is exactly what we needed for getting fiber to every home. It offers a better solution for shipping to our facilities, as well as less product that has to go into the ground, and a lot easier to install throughout the whole entire valley.
The technology that we chose with Hexatronic is a microduct design. It uses minimal materials, but the other great thing about it is we can install ducts without having to install the fiber, which makes it more economical, especially for the below ground installations, especially in the Northwest, where sometimes we have 6 months of frozen ground and we cannot do any installation. It gives us the ability to install duct to the home and then blow in fiber later when they need it. And then we're not limited on when we can actually install fiber to the home. If we had to install everything at once and somebody, say, were to call in December, they might have to wait 3 or 4 months before we can actually install fiber to their house. Ultimately, for us, our partnership with Hexatronic means that we're able to fulfill our mission of fiber to everyone in Valley County.